Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Stacking Perpetrator here. Today's video, we've got some mail call to open. I got my 2022 West Point Mint Proof Silver Eagle. I do know it's in this box because I looked up the tracking number against my orders on the Mint site. So I know that's that. And in another video, you're gonna have to wait. I will probably show this. I will probably release this video first. This is the 2022 congratulations set, West Point Proof Silver Eagle. Also, just in this video, I'm going to point out the Proof West Point Silver Eagle was $73 and shipped in this the bigger than normal box. Instead of there, they usually send them in the, when you buy a single, they usually send them in the 10 boxes, but I got the bigger box for the congratulations set, which just for this video looks like exactly like the 2017, except the only change is going to be the where it says 2017, it's going to say 2022. So it was $2 more. Let me guess, we're dealing with the government, so this, folks, is where your $2 came into play for something this this big. And the box is technically not wide enough to put it in flat, so they had to put it on a 45-degree angle. Way to go, US Mint. Way to go. Way to spend money that you could be utilizing as profits. Anyway, let's get into this one. This is the proof. We're going to open this up. Like I said, I will probably release the video on the congratulations set first. And I'm just doing them this way because I want to get this one out. I'm not going to mess with this crust here. We're just going to rip into the side. Plenty of, I guess they learned the newspaper crushed folded up wasn't good for keeping the coins safe inside the box. I gotta remove, well, I'll leave the paperwork in the box. I'll get it out later. And there we go. There we have it. All right. It came in the, this year they're also running the shrinkflation boxes because they're too cheap to go back to the clamshells. Here's the COA 2022 West Point. It is a proof. It's got the W Mint mark. And there she is. Again, in the cheap box that we all love and hate. So let's pop her out and see if we can look at the back side. They have a little slot in there so you can stand it up for your viewing pleasure. Still like the clamshell much better. But let's take a look at the coin. This one looks pretty good. I don't see any lint inside the capsule. This is a well done coin on the obverse. 2022. I don't know if they put the missing reed on the proofs. I don't. Yeah, I think it's right. I think it's right there, the missing reed. I don't know if that shows up. There it is. Let's look at the reverse. The new design we will be enjoying for quite a while until Congress decides to change it. You can see the West Point mint mark right there. It's a pretty coin. Some people get mistaken because the AW, the original designer's initials, they got those underneath the "In God We Trust." Some people have been mistaking that as a West Point mint mark. That is not the case. The mint marks are always on the reverse. So, beautiful looking coin. All right. We'll keep this one short because I really want to get into the other rocks. So let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the 2022 West Point silver proof eagle? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you on another video.